Hi, good morning everyone. I am Darakshan Jamal. I'm from Intel and my branch here is Artificial Intelligence AI, and I am from the 2021, the first batch of AI. So IISc was like a dream college for me when I was pursuing for engineering, and now when I got a chance at my company to apply for this program, I was very happy, and uh, this was like I thought like the best opportunity for me where I can get enrolled in such a prestigious institution, and I put all my efforts to clear out this exam, and I was very happy to be a part of the AI course. So I can say that dreams do come true. I dreamt of studying in this college long back, and now I'm graduated from this college. The program was awesome. The faculty was really good, very helpful. They had in-depth knowledge of the course and the subject matter. And now when now AI is like I mean. Everyone is talking about AI, and when I am graduated in this subject, I feel very confident, and it's like I can contribute to many things in my company. It will contribute to a lot in my career, and I would also like to thank you, thanks my parents and my family, my husband who has been very supportive. So during this time, when I was enrolled in the course, I also had a maternity break. So I had a my daughter is currently going to be 1 year now, and I learned how to manage my office workload, my family. I was married during that time, and then after 2 years, during this program, I had a girl child, a baby girl. So I had to look after her. I had to study. I had to do my assignments, projects, and now I feel like it was like I managed so many things, and I feel so confident about I can manage anything that comes in the future. I can manage because I have managed many things, and I can learn from this experience. And I will always recall this experience whenever I am in hard times. So, this has helped me a lot. And not only, career wise, but also personally, this has helped me. This course has helped me. It has. My inner capabilities. It has helped me to understand my inner capabilities, how much I can do. So thank you to everyone, my family, the instructors, and IISc, my company, everyone. Without their support, it would not have been possible.